right, here we have the Adams Avenue Railroad crossing in Parlier, California, near Parlier, I believe, but I'm just going to say this is in Sanger because we're close. I think this is Parlier, California. So for this one, we got an unmarked base. I don't know what it says. No label. A safe tran gate mechanism. Safe tran light. I mean, no, those are Western Cone Haze lights. WRS bracket and Western Cone Haze mechanical bell. There's no standard, but it's pretty high up, so I'm going to have to put the phone in my pocket and then record it. Okay. Let's see if it's going to work.
Put it in your pocket.
There we go. That was looking north towards the Riverbend Avenue crossing and towards Sanger. That was looking east. I mean, that was looking south towards I believe Reedley. Yeah, Reedley. Here's the other signal, which has another unmarked base, another safe tran gate mechanism, another more pairs of Western Cone Haze lights. One of them's damaged. A WRS bracket and a safe tran mechanical bell. Alright. Here we go. Let's try to see if I can get this to ring. It's probably impossible. I'm not sure. Maybe. Let's try, okay? Let's try again. You can try again. I hope it does. Whoa, that's a nice one. That's actually a pretty nice one. Right? The first time we did it, it didn't ring. So that's the Adams Avenue Railroad crossing in Parlier, California. See you next time.